Are you guys seeing this? Oh, my gray hairs. It's fine. I mean, what did I expect? What did I expect? I'm not getting any younger. But anyway, hey guys, ignore my hair. It's a bit poofy. I'm actually surprised it's not worse. I was literally just caught in the rain. Let me tell you, I've had a day. I just came back from the gyno, okay? And for some reason, I'm fine. I was just my annual checkup. But when I got there and I walked into the office and I saw so many people there, I literally freaked out. And I mean, don't get me wrong, they have like little stickers on the floor so everybody makes sure that they're social distancing. And of course, I obviously wore my mask, but still. Can we talk about how COVID not only is affecting everyone's physical health terribly, but people's mental health as well? Can we talk about that for a second? Because I've always had like a mild form of agoraphobia, according to my therapist, but I feel like it's getting worse and I don't know what to do, except maybe try to face that fear. Because look, I mean, I changed my phone case. Anything is possible. Whatever, point is, I've had a day. I had a little bit of a panic attack in the waiting room, and there's nothing worse than trying to compose yourself when there's people around and you have a lot of like, It was a lot, but I'm good. I'm home now. And I'm ready to show you what's in my Boxycharm. With a Boxycharm unboxing. What? I feel like I have brain fog right now, but I'm ready for this video. Filming videos definitely keeps my mind off things, helps me get back into my good space here with you guys in this place. So let's dive in. So the first thing in the box is actually a mud mask. Very excited. I haven't used this in years that I don't even remember how I felt about it. Wow, doesn't this take you back? This is the Glamglow YouthMud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. Wait, has it always been a glow stimulating treatment? No, right? This is new. I don't know, but we're gonna try it out. Oh, interesting. No, I've definitely used this before, but I was getting it confused with the white one. But now it's all coming back, it's all coming back to me now. Wow, am I Celine Dion? Or what? All right, I got my hair out of my face. Let's try this bad boy. That was a yummy little sound. I'm just gonna take my little e.l.f. skincare brush. I forget the name of this, but I've used it for years. It's really, really great for face masks. It says that this mask, oh, it's cold. Woo. It exfoliates with volcanic rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, while natural clay lifts impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. Oh my god, even just seeing it on my face is bringing back so many memories. I don't think I've tried this. Like, I don't think I've put this mask on my face since I lived in Mississippi, which was like in 2015. It also has green tea in it that's supposed to soothe the skin. This is so freaking cold. I forget how long I'm supposed to keep this on my face. Oh, 10 minutes. Why did I think it was longer? All right, I like me a fast mask. It smells really, really strong though. I'm like, not in a bad way, like in a really, like it smells great, but it's a strong scent. All right, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Just gonna let this dry for the next 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna rinse it off and let you know how I feel. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes. I left it on a little bit longer than I should have, but my skin feels amazing, like amazing, so smooth. That really exfoliated my skin. As I was removing it, I'm like, oh yeah, I remember this mask. I definitely left it on a little bit too long and I have like some redness here. It created a little bit of a rashy looking situation here, but that's because I was rubbing so hard and I definitely don't recommend that. Like, I was taking it off with a towel instead of a washcloth, so it was pretty rough on my skin, but it really exfoliated it. And it doesn't feel too dry either. Like, my skin feels nice. I don't know, I'm like in between because it was a little rough, but a little bit my fault. All right, moving on. So the next thing in the box is this. This is from a brand called Georgette Klinger. Never heard of this brand before. I love trying new brands. And this is their Marula primer. It says it blurs imperfections and ensures an all-day radiant finish. It's long wearing, hydrating, it has hyaluronic acid, marula oil, vitamin A, E, F, and a lot of other good stuff. And honestly, I love trying anything that claims to be anti-aging. Like this guy. Wow, it's a lot smoother than I thought it was gonna be. For some reason I thought, you know, Marula primer, I thought it was gonna be thick and oily, like in a good way, but it's not. It's very lightweight, very thin. That just sank right into my skin. Wow. Feels nice. I feel like it did blur my skin a little bit and fill in the pores. So I'm kind of into it. I'm gonna go ahead and, let me see. Yeah, I'm gonna go do the rest of my makeup really quick before we try on the rest of the products. Okay, so my skin is definitely a little red after that mask. I'm definitely gonna be more gentle next time. So, next thing in the box. box. I've never heard of this brand before either. This is like the cutest little packaging ever. It's that little boom box. This is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics Multi-Use Makeup Base Sticks. I have a little bit of concealer on, but let's see what these look like. I knew that they were like little sticks, like little eyeshadow sticks, but I don't know the colors. Oh, cute. You get like a bronze and like a pearl shade. Really pretty, like a coppery reddish bronze. Oh, this is a matte. Oh wow, okay, this is like a creamy matte shade. Interesting. Alright, so I just threw on some lip liner. I'm wearing my Il Makiage and Carli Bybel AI lip liner. Obsessed with this lip liner, so amazing. And I threw on some of my Rare Beauty mascara that I've been loving a lot too. I actually really liked this shade. The copper one, it's called Jazz, and it was really pretty. I applied it with just my finger alone. I just like blended it out into the crease and that's it. And then I took a little bit of it without blending it and I ran it underneath my lower lash line and then I ran it on the top right here, kind of like an eyeliner situation. And then it just like blends out into the crease and I really love this shade. It's a very easy one and done eyeshadow look. I love things like this, especially since these kinds of formulas tend to last longer than powder. Yeah, really cute, really cute. I don't think I would use like the creamy one much, but that copper one is stunning. Moving on. This juicy boy. So this is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in the shade Day Slayer. Really pretty, I'm so excited. I don't have this color. And I'm just gonna throw it on top of that AI lip liner. Oh my gosh, I love this color. Such a pretty everyday nude. And I love that it's like demi matte, not completely matte. It's still drying, but it's not like cementy. I like it. And then the last thing in the box is actually really exciting. This is an INH product. This is their Quick Slick Hair Essence. I actually already have this. And I can't show you how I use it because every time I use this, my hair is picked up. I always use this for like little flyaways, which is pretty much what it is, by the way. And also to like smooth your baby hairs. It also smells really good. Like peach glue, if that makes sense. I really like it. But it's awesome when I have my hair picked up in a really tight ponytail, like a tight, sleek ponytail. Because I just brush this along and it smooths out my hairs and my flyaways and it doesn't have like any alcohol or any like weird products. I love it. I keep it at my vanity. So excited that this was in the box this month because the co-founders of INH are my friends and I love them so much. So shout out to Jordan and Sharon. Killing it. And oh my gosh, guys, that's it. That was everything I got in this month's Boxycharm. Really good box this month. I pretty much enjoyed everything I got. My favorite thing is definitely the Quick Slick and the Huda Beauty lip product. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what you got in your box this month. Did we get the exact same box? Did you hate your box? Did you love your box? Let me know in the comments. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Did I say that completes this video? Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already and I will see you in my next video. Bye.